divide 762 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 2 is 6. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 6 and it is 16. So 3 times 5 is 15. On subtracting, we get 1. So again we put down this 2 and it is 12. So 3 times 4 is 12. On subtracting, we get 0. So 762 divided by 3 is 254. So this much for today and thanks for watching.